Konbanwa, Pat Tokuyama here, creator of All Day I Eat Like a Shark and the new Japanese cooking club, all about plant-based Japanese food. Today what we're going to be doing is making a mizuna salad using shiokoji and some other ingredients like olive oil, extra virgin of course, some champagne vinegar, and some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and maybe some salt and a little bit of white pepper or 5 peppercorn blend pepper. Not sure which one I'm going to choose yet. So that's what we're going to be making, is a shiokoji dressing for a simple mizuna salad. And I have my mizuna here. This is homegrown of course, in my little hydroponic setup. So this is about maybe 3 cups worth. So we'll go ahead and get this started. And then I have some freshly cut tomato as well. Throw some of this on here. And some aburage, deep fried tofu. Actually, I'm gonna undo this. You can make it a nice little pyramid or mound rather than mixed together. A little bit better for the presentation, I think. So, sometimes I like to put some shiso or some nori on here, and actually we might do some of that right now. So that's that. All we have to do literally is mix the ingredients for the dressing. So this is quite a bit. We're probably just going to do about a 1/4 cup of the lemon juice. Make sure that it's all stirred. So there's a 1/4 cup of that. Do about a 1/4 cup of the shiokoji as well. Good thing about using canning jars, if you don't have these, is that they have the little gradations on them, so mils and ounces. So it's easy, you don't have to get a separate measuring cup. And then we'll do about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you could do 2 tablespoons up to a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, or I'm used to saying rice vinegar, but it's champagne vinegar. And that's going to be essentially it. Oh yeah, white pepper. So I guess we're not doing 5 peppercorn blend today. And then a little bit of salt. Some sea salt. And make sure that it's evenly mixed. Shiokoji helps it to emulsify. So usually like in a Western dressing, you might use something like mustard to help the emulsification. Shiokoji does a pretty good job. So there's that, and we're going to use some of my homegrown shiso here. I have red and green. We'll just use the green today. And I usually just roll this up. I don't know about you guys. And that right in the middle. Don't need this anymore. So that's pretty much it. If you've never used shiokoji in your dressing, this could be a good recipe to start with because it has a lot of flavor. Very subtle, of course. Actually, this one's not so subtle since we used a pretty good amount. Quarter of this is the shiokoji. It'll give you a good idea of what it actually tastes like and what to expect. All right, so that's going to be it for today. If you have any questions or comments, as usual, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Other than that, I will see you in my next video. Jane, bye-bye. Oh yeah, and I guess if this is your first time here and you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the alarm bell for notifications. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and yeah, I think that was all I wanted to say.